Hello again, Sandersville families. In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about getting your student logged into Lexia while at home. For my 2nd through 5th graders, most of them are going to be able to do this fairly easily because they've been doing it for a while. But my K and 1st grade students might have a little bit of trouble because, like I said in the Success Maker video, they've been using badges. And when we use our badges to log in at school, it kind of just remembers everything for them. So let's just walk through this real quick. I'm going to scroll down again on the Sandersville page down to the school quick links, and I'll click on Lexia Reading Core 5. There are some apps out there, but to be quite honest, they don't work that great. So I would use the link from our school webpage, even in lieu of going and searching on Google. Just use this link right here. That will open up Lexia Core 5. And it's going to bring you to this page. Now, this is where things get a little complicated because every child's username and password is going to be slightly different for this. When we first started doing Lexia, we didn't have badges and we didn't even have the long usernames for the students like we do for Success Maker now. And so a lot of the usernames are shortened versions. So like I used Bob Davis in the Success Maker video as my example. So Bob Davis's username could be something as simple as Bob D, if it was available. And that's kind of the pattern we've been using, is using a student's first name and then the first letter of their last name. This information is on a sheet of paper that was sent home in the students' purple folders back in August or September or whenever they came to Sandersville. I know that's been a while. So if you do not know your student's username or password, once again, there is a link on NTI that will send me a message, and I can send that to you as quickly as possible. It doesn't take me too long to look it up, but your teachers are also able to access that. So if you send it to me and you don't hear from me in a few minutes, you can try sending it to your homeroom teacher as well. Passwords for kindergartners and 1st graders are 4-digit numbers. We did that way back, and it's just a pattern that's stuck. And they use their 4 numbers for their birthday. So if someone was born like in May on May 17th, their password for this is just simply 05 for the month. And again, it has to be 2 digits, and 17. That's not Harper's password, by the way. That will get them in. That's for kindergarten and 1st grade. Now, 2nd through 5th graders, it really just depends on when they came to Sandersville. If they came to Sandersville in kindergarten and they're still doing Lexia, then they have a username much like this one. Their password will have changed to that one we talked about in the Success Maker video. So let's pretend that Harper's grown up here. She would be HH and then a series of numbers for her birthday. That's not it either. Just like there was in the Success Maker video. So that's about all I can show you in this video. Again, if you don't know your student's username and password for Lexia, go to the NTI page, click on the link here, and I will get in touch with you as quickly as I can, and we will get you on the way. Have a great day.